Howdy, I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. We are back out in the warehouse, and today we're going to be talking about an item essential to your swimming pool. This is the water leveler float. So if you have a corky style water leveler in your pool, these do go bad after a few years. What you'll notice is usually around fall time, because summertime you're evaporating so much water, you're not going to notice if your water leveler is broken and overfilling the pool. But come fall time, that evaporation slows down. If this guy's not working and it's sending water into your pool constantly, that water level is going to slowly start to rise in your pool, and you're going to know it's time for a new water leveler. So we have these in stock. These are the Pentair OEM brand. 542486 is the part number. We have dozens and dozens of them. They do come with the restrictor seal in there too. What that does is it limits the water flow as well as seals this really, really well inside of the crock. So this is the Pentair water leveler that gets installed in your swimming pool. Come down, pick them up, 2710 West Bell, or online at ePoolSupply.com. We got lots and lots of them for you guys. Best pricing you can find. And we look forward to seeing you at the shop. So I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. We'll see you guys around.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. We really appreciate all the love and support. Please make sure to hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. It really helps us out. And we got a ton of content coming your way. Until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply.